kuthiwa i-vaccine. So ngizawutsho just kancinci ukuthi yintoni i-vaccine ngoba I'm worried abanye abantu they might think i-vaccine is a treatment. I-vaccine is not a treatment, so sizawutsho nje kancinci nje ukuthi yintoni i-vaccine. And then ke ngoku abantu abafuna because manje ngexesha esinikwe nincinci afuneka sibe lapha ixesha lonke. If you want to know more, you can phone me or WhatsApp me if you want to know more about the vaccine. Ngingayivulanga le ngicanga ukuthi ndizothetha after issue, but I'm sorry for ngivulanga i-laptop because bendithi ndizawuthetha mhlawumbi after issue. Ndizoyifunda ke bazalwane the whole sentence ngendiyixhakise kancinci ke because some words they are medical words. And then i-vaccine is a biological preparation that provides active acquired immunity to a particular infectious disease. A vaccine typically contains a biological preparation from disease-causing microorganisms, or since the beginning of the 21st century, made that resembles. This preparation is often made from weakened or killed form of the microbe, its toxin, or of its surface protein. The agent stimulates the body system to recognize the agent as a threat and start producing antibodies. So i-vaccine ke kuthiwa yinto elungiselelwe biologically ilungisiwe thina apha emzimbeni ukuthi sihlatshwe ukuze umzimba wenziwe ready. So xa bendihle ndithi abanye abantu bazoyi-understanda andithi siyazi ukuthi sine-immune system that always day and night i-immune system yet is fighting headache, stress, whatever. Our immune system is fighting. So this vaccine there, so all the diseases, they've got their own vaccine. Like njengoba kusithiwa kuthiwa it is a vaccine kuthiwa it is a biological preparation to weaken or kill the form of microbe, because he has to this COVID-19, it's a microbe. So our body doesn't know that microbe. So that is why when we got it, so our body, his immune system, struggle to fight it because it doesn't know, it doesn't recognize it. It has never given something to fight it. So now when this vaccine was prepared, it's like you are giving a fake COVID-19 to our body, so that our body can fight this fake, so that when you become COVID-19 positive in the real thing, the body will recognize it. Oh, this was, so it will produce the exact immunity or amasoja amele wona ukulwa le vaccine. So mandithatha na is like nalapha South Africa, I can say my body is South Africa, and then in South Africa kunamasoja, kunamaphoyisa, kunama-posendlela, kunama-security and all those things that are fighting every day, but they are fighting the exact thing. They've got a limited, they cannot go above. So now nalapha emzimbeni ke sine-immunity, sine-immune system esiyiphiwe nguNkulunkulu esilwela thina. Sometimes uba ne-headache ungayazi ukuthi le headache ipheleleni, and your immune system is fighting that headache. So now i-vaccine is preparing us to or protect us to be able to fight the vaccine. Singaze abanye befe, abanye bagule kakhulu. ithi xa ingenile le vaccine, and then our body will be able, because it's ready for anything ezawungena emzimbeni wethu. So that is why we are going to get a vaccine to prepare. It doesn't mean that because you are vaccinated, so you must do whatever you like. You mustn't wear your mask, you mustn't have social distance, or you must be in the crowd without precautions. So you're still going to do those things. You're still going to wear your mask, cover your mouth and your nose. You're still going to observe distance. You're still going to wash your hands, because to prevent it from getting inside, even if your body is ready to fight. And then and food, and the other thing that is very important, people forget, other precaution, that we must never touch our eyes. You know, eyes is you must see eyes anyhow, yes, pressure, and there is that pressure that we can ignore. But you can't ignore, even if it's a straightway. So I always advise them, if we are pressure, just take your tissue and scratch with your tissue, because your hands are dirty, and we've been touching, so we don't know if we might in that surface there was a virus. So since it can go through your eyes, the mucous membrane of your eyes, it can go through your mucous membrane of your nose and your mucous membrane of the mouth. So that is why uzame ngamandla akho onke to scratch your eyes. Or if I've not tissue, I always said, and this part is dirty, because I'm talking, the particles, you can even set maybe, and then try and stretch your eyes, because sometimes you cannot ignore stretching. Okay, so that is why we are having this vaccine to protect us, to produce antibodies. So my antibodies can be started like amasoja wafanayo amasoja amele the strong being actually. So now the vaccine iproduce emzini wethu ama-antibodies, because ma ingena kuthi umzimba uthi ndake yafakwa le nto ndayilwa ndaphumelela. So nansi ke I'm going to fight. That is how the vaccine works in our body. And then so also I want to again emphasize about the symptoms, because they are common symptoms and they are very serious symptoms. And the common symptoms that we have is fever. It's fever, it's flu, it's fever, it's sore throat, it's headache, and chills, or sometimes with those are common symptoms of this thing. And you don't have also, when you've got this, you don't have to rush to hospital, because now at hospital people are sick. You are going to contact this virus in hospital. So now don't rush to hospital when you've got those things. If you have a headache, try to take something to ease the headache. But if there are serious symptoms that you have to go to hospital. I know people, they are so afraid of going to hospital, and they go to hospital very late, that nothing can be done at least, because they said, no, we are afraid of coming to hospital, blah, 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 blah. So the severe symptoms, it's shortness of breath, it's your shortness of breath, and and then you become confused, because now your your amount of oxygen is in your body is low. So now you become confused because the blood doesn't flow to your mind. So then you become confused. And then people then back to the hospital. And then sometimes the doctors cannot do so much because now you've been staying at home for a long time. So it is very advisable if you've got shortage of blood, don't say I'm afraid of going to hospital, just go to hospital. And also they said when you contract or money positive, the symptoms they start to be shown after 2 to 5 days. You can imagine then you stay for 3 to 5 days, you don't know how many people that has been contaminated. So that is why it is very important to go to hospital. And so that is it, Bathandikayo. So we need then to go if you want. It's not compulsory, but people need to know, Kuti, we must go see a vaccinator when the time comes. Like now, doctor, nurse, and everybody who works in hospital, the cleaners, the porters, everybody, because they are exposed to this virus. Then who's who've got chronic medication, chronic illnesses. Why chronic illness? Because their immune system is suppressed. Their immune system is fighting every day. The immune system is fighting this blood pressure, is fighting this diabetic, is fighting this kidney problem, it's fighting your eyes every day. So now when you become positive, your immune system fails to fight this coronavirus. That is why also there are priority to get the vaccine, so that if they are affected, the body can be able to fight it. So Batanikayo, that is all, and that I'm going to discuss about it today. Let us go and be vaccinated. But my main worry, Batanikayo, is that people, they think that this is a treatment. If you are vaccinated, you are never going to be affected. So that is a wrong thing. So that is why we need to tell people that even if you are vaccinated, guys, you still observe the health protocols. Thank you very much.
Thank you.